And just to add on to what Frank was saying about, if there's something different, sometimes the government just doesn't do anything at all, right? I think overcoming that, again, we call it the status quo, but it's just doing something different to get, a more efficient approach to the way that you're moving information around. And then to add on to the security part of it, a lot of it, from our perspective, is multi-tenancy. When you start to consolidate people together, right, sometimes those people don't necessarily have the same knowledge set in terms of what they can share. There might be different communities of interest, not necessarily different security levels, because you want to keep those kind of contained within themselves. But different communities need to share these consolidated pieces. And from our perspective, we want to make sure that, one, you have the ability to carve that information up, but do it in such a way where you're still sharing the same resources, because you can't get into the area where, yes, I've consolidated all these data centers, but I've essentially just built the same thing 3 times in one data center now, right? So what I want to do is I want to have common resources that everybody can use, but I want them to use them in a more efficient manner so that each person is sharing the resource, but has some separation in terms of who can see their information, not only in terms of the processing, but where they can share it to. And when I start looking at virtualization from the server side and the storage side and the networking side, that applies and helps that problem a lot.
Yeah, I see that.